Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking units and precision so numbers mean the same thing across the drawing. Once done, set your base drawing scale. For example, choose 1/50 for site plans or 1/1 for fabrication. You should pick a clear reference line or dimension to anchor the scale operation. This prevents drift. Make sure snapping and object snaps are active so you pick exact endpoints. This first step removes ambiguity and readies the model for precise scaling. Now you perform the scale operation using a defined base point and an exact factor. Enter 0, 5 or 2, or type a ratio like 1/4 to get predictable results. If you scale assemblies, maintain uniform scaling to preserve proportions, or deliberately disable it when different axes require distinct factors. After each transform, update dimensions and check constraints because automated dimensions may not update. This finish by aligning viewports and annotative objects to that final scale so text and dimensions read correctly on the sheet. Once done, export or print a quick test to verify line weights, hatch density, and text size at actual output. If something looks off, make sure you didn't scale twice or forget annotative properties. Inspect the history or revert to a saved snapshot and repeat the single, controlled scale step. A common troubleshooting tip: check units and viewport scale first when output mismatches occur.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.